Hi aviation friends, welcome to my garage, now converted to my RV14A building center. Currently flying an RV9A, I absolutely love it. Bought it about 3 years ago, have flown it an average of 250 hours a year, and now I'm ready to build my own airplane. So this video, I'll have the unboxing of Cleveland tools, and here it is. So what we'll do is we'll talk about a couple of things I did delete from Cleveland tools because I had friends that let me borrow or have a couple items as well. One of the things I was able to borrow is this DDR Dimpler, and he also made these nice tables that go with it. I flew over in my RV14, picked it up, very grateful to have it. Also, I have a complete set of tungsten back rivet plates. I also have a ton of clicos in all different sizes and the clamps and so forth. I did buy some Scotch-Brite, 20 of them. Also, I bought the Scotch-Brite polishing wheel, and another item that a friend let me borrow was the right angle drill, which quite handy. Looks like a dental tool. So those were kind of some of the items that I did delete from Cleveland Tool. And the folks over at Cleveland Tool are very, very nice. Mike and his sister over at Cleveland Tool really helped me figure out exactly what I needed. And it took all the guesswork out of it, because when I first started shopping, I actually made a spreadsheet with all the different tool suppliers, and it was getting to be confusing. And I kept going back to Cleveland Tool, and I said, they know exactly what they're talking about when it comes to tooling for an RV. Okay, here we go. So we have the block. We got to figure out how we're going to do the triples. Let's see, packing list. Got about 80 items. This lightweight air hose, so it's coming in very, very handy. Let's see here. Oh, this is a foam pad holder, a little kit. I'll put it with my other kits. I have the toolbox. I also have Van's airfoil kit, and also the light box kit. I'm going to start working on some spare aluminum and start banging a few rivets here and there. I did do this at Oshkosh this past year. I went to the EAA sheet metal school, Sunday all day, Monday all day, and did airfoil, and also this other little piece right here. Back rivet tape. I did add this to the order, and let's see, here's my Scotch-Brite. This is going to be the one for cutting. The one I have is going to be one for polishing. I'll put these two on my 6-inch grinder. This is the Cleveland Tool rivet gauge. Let's see, what is this? Oh, this is the, yes. So this is the special bucking bar that they designed with the correct angles and so forth for the RV10, RV14. And, okay, so here we go. Here's the, I opted to go with the Pneumatic Squeezer for a number of different reasons. And I want to tell you, it's really nice to the feel of the hand. It's very, fits your hand very nice, and I think I'm going to really enjoy this one. I did get the 3-inch yoke. Let's see, right here. This is the 3-inch yoke that they recommend with it. I also went ahead and, not on the list, I got the 2.5-inch flange nose yoke, and also the 4-inch thin pneumatic yoke as well. And one of the nice things about Cleveland is their yoke comes with quick change yoke pins. No bolts to deal with there. Information on the squeezer. And this is also for the squeezer right here. These little things, I'll tell you what, I thought they were going to be bigger. I didn't realize they're that small. but it's a RV control surface wedge rivet squeezing tool, a specialty tool that's needed for the RV14. Glad to have that. I did get the 3X Rivet Gun, the one that they recommended. This is it right here. And let's see, this is the control valve that controls the pressure on it. I think you want about 30 pounds per square inch there. That's going to be for the flat rivets and back riveting and an offset. They knew exactly what type of offset we needed. Didn't have to guess with that. It was nice having Cleveland and their staff. All the staff is very knowledgeable at Cleveland. Excited to have purchased from them. Couple of little tools here. This is something I need, a spacer for my wheel here. I did add that on to the this here. This is the Reamer. A really nice metal Reamer with some extra blades here. And a deburrer, speed deburrer with a extension part. This is one thing I did add. It's the rivet removal tool. I'm sure this will come in handy, and I'm sure I'll use it more than once. Let's see here. This is for the Pneumatic Squeezer as well. This is another specialty tool that is actually exclusive to Cleveland tool that they designed for the rudder. I'm sorry, the elevator of the, maybe for the rudder also, I'm not sure, but the trailing edge of the RV14. This jig is supposed to make it a lot more easier to fasten that. Have my file, step drill, and let's see, countersinks. They knew exactly what size countersinks I needed. I was going crazy with the spreadsheet I had trying to figure out exactly the ones I needed and all the different sizes. This right here is a offset Dimpler, I believe. Not sure where I'll be using that. Tight fit dimpling fixture. I'm sure I'll use it somewhere. And let's see here. So right here we have the, oops. This is all of the dimple dies. A lot of different sizes. Number 8 screws, know what that is. Number 6 screws, know what that is. 1/8 inch rivet. This one's an RV modified 3 3/32 male dimple die. So it's nice to have this when I need it. Actually, the squeezer set terminology actually help you out here with the definition. More dies, more dies. This is a weird sort of deal here, right here. It's a close quarters dimpling die. Interesting. And this is one thing I did add. This looks like the Reamers. Yes, it's the Reamers. So here's a 1/4 inch, 1/8 inch. This is the number 40. And this is the number 30. And I'm sorry, this is the number 30. I'm sorry, these are 2 40s and these are 2 30s. I did add an extra Reamer, 30 and 40, because Mike over at Cleveland Tools said that I did opt, we'll back up just a bit. I did opt not to go with the pneumatic drill. I'm going to use the cordless electric drill. And he said it'd be nice to have an extra Reamer on hand when the other one did wear out. And then here's another Reamer right here. This right here is, oh, this is part of the deburring set right here. Okay, then the drill bits. Once again, when you're first starting out, this can be very confusing. They take all the confusion out of it, the 12 and the 6 inch bit. And it's like glass, the back riveting plate. So I'm excited to get started. I think in just a little while I'll go ahead and start figuring all this out. I have a lot of extra rivets for practice, a lot of old aluminum for practice, and once I feel like I can move on to my practice sets, I'll move forward. Like and subscribe, stay tuned, and you can keep up with the RV build. Excited about building the RV14. Have a great day.